Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add some sharpen your video. So let's click on here in effects, then here write sharpen. And then here you should be able to find here this one, sharpen. I'm going to drag and drop this onto my video. And then here in effects control, we have sharpen. Now this sharpen amount I can increase, which will increase the sharpness of our video. And that's basically what you have to do. If you want to then to unsharpen your image or to add some Gaussian blur, you can add some blur then if you want to, because now if we click on here and then we click the blurriness, we can add some blurriness. And yeah, so we have some blur and then some blur and then some sharpness, or sharpness and then blur. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. I hope this saved you time and you learned something. Thanks for watching and take care.